I know. Oh my god.
It's Snowden.
Oh my god.
What do you call it? Alex is gonna be
He's got
homeless
some
Oh,
in a
yeah.
month.
Yeah.
news on purpose.
Share your story because I just straight up sent you.
Everybody's like staring at Alex.
So I have this plan of going homeless. On this week I have sold my PC. I've sold my iPad. I've sold a bunch of stuff, and now like all my stuff that I need can be just I can put it in a backpack, and that's enough to carry all my stuff. And at February 20th, I'll be leaving this home and going on a journey. I'll be visiting, if everything goes according to plan. I'll be visiting like different cities and like living there for some time, and basically I'm planning to make 2021 a travel year to compensate for 2020.
Yo,
That sounds cool. So like it's
That's
like pretty much like
freaking
backpacking
hardcore.
almost.
Right?
Yeah, he's pretty much becoming like a digital nomad.
Still nomad.
Yeah.
digital.
Yeah, I
Oh.
bought a laptop and I will be editing videos on a laptop.
Ooh, that MacBook
Yeah.
Pro M1.
I'm Premiere
But
Pro
what
guy.
about
I'm not Final
Cyberpunk?
Cut.
Well, what about Cyberpunk?
What about Cyberpunk, Alex?
I deleted Cyberpunk.
No. Did you finish it?
Really a huge decision.
I mean,
I
it's only
didn't
half a
even
game.
It's only half a
So-
game anyway.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
I
not.
know.
It's
I
not even
didn't
done.
finish it. I said that I will get back to it when they will fix it, if they
Oh, the
ever
bug.
gonna.
No, yeah.
Finish it when they finish it.
Finish it when it's
In 2 or 3 years, I'll get back to Cyberpunk and do a
That's
proper.
crazy, though.
That's crazy. That's
Congrats
cool.
on your freaking decision to
Right?
do that.
Yeah, I think Alex is the
Alex
youngest
is
in this group,
traveling, and then like the fucking Californians and the New Jersey person and the Filipino are stuck at home.
I know.
The
Watching
Americans and the
him change
Filipino
his
are stuck at
background,
home.
everything.
Well,
It's like
it's
every
Russia, like-
podcast or every video we do now is gonna be like, all right, let's guess where Alex is
Well,
now.
every
Oh,
Monday,
yeah.
every Monday when we have our scrum
Meeting.
with Alex and Bernie, it's just like Bernie's just in her office. I'm here in my bedroom. Emeroy's in his apartment, and Alex is like by the beach,
I
outside
know.
a museum,
that'd be
at a park,
crazy.
Next to
at a
the
cafe.
Look at that
Mountains.
guy. It's Snowden.
I know. Oh my god.
It's Snowden.
Oh my god.
By the way, kids, use cryptography to encrypt your drives.
Ooh.
Use
Thank you.
Veracrypt, use
Veracrypt.
TrueCrypt, and you will be all right.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
All right, so I put my bitcoins in there.
Put them on my address.
Yo, speaking
They'll be safe there.
of which, how much you had Bitcoin too? How much did you have?